Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto, investing, or just trying to make sense of these markets, this is your weekly dose of everything you need to know. We'll break down this week's biggest crypto moves, what's driving the prices, and what long-term investors like you should be watching closely. Let's get started. Tron also made headlines as Justin Sun's project executed a reverse merger via SRM Entertainment, sending SRM stock up 700%. The U.S. Fed paused rate hikes this week but made it clear they're still cautious. That's good news for crypto. Why? Because they did not increase the interest rates. The market is expecting no changes in Fed rates. Usually, lower rates mean cheaper money, and that eventually increases liquidity in risk assets like Bitcoin. Also, the US dollar has been slipping lately, and historically, when the dollar weakens, Bitcoin strengthens. And don't forget gold, often seen as a crypto cousin. As geopolitical tension grows, both gold and Bitcoin tend to rise in tandem. Geopolitical tensions also made an impact this week. From US and China trade clashes to unrest in the Middle East, global uncertainty is rising. This often pushes people into hard assets like gold and now increasingly Bitcoin, strengthening the narrative of BTC as a safe haven. Now here's something massive for long-term investors: regulation. The U.S. just passed the Genius Act, a major step in regulating stablecoins like USDC. Circle stock surged 80% after its IPO, and Coinbase is up 16%. This shows real institutional trust is growing. This kind of regulation could open the floodgates for mainstream adoption. So here's what smart investors should keep an eye on. The next Fed meeting, any rate cuts would be bullish. Stablecoin laws, regulation could bring new capital. Global liquidity trends track the M2 supply. Currently, the Fear and Greed Index shows 48 neutral, indicating investors are becoming more uncertain, but caution is still key. If you found this update helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly insights. Drop a comment below. Which altcoin are you watching this month? Thanks for tuning in. Until next week.